With my tenons laid out, I can set my saw to my marks and begin by only cutting one end first. And then I'm going to test it. This one's just a little bit too tight, but I did intentionally set the saw a little bit lower than it should be. So I'm going to bump up the saw just a tad, run this again, and then test it again. And this time it fits very nice. So I can cut all of the rest of these to this setting. And after that, all of our tenons are finished on both sides, and we are ready to see if all of this goes together.